Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transform your yard with a simple eco-friendly technique, leaf mulching. This DIY method is perfect for preparing your yard for winter and works wonders no matter where you live. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into it. First things first, why should you mulch leaves? Leaf mulching helps retain soil moisture, reduces weed growth, and returns essential nutrients back to the soil. Plus, it's a great way to recycle all those fall leaves instead of bagging them up and sending them to the landfill. Let's talk about how to get started. If you live in the Northeast, you probably have a lot of oak and maple trees. These leaves are fantastic for mulching because they're rich in nutrients. Start by mowing over the leaves with your lawn mower. You don't need a special mulching mower. Just set your mower to its highest setting and go over the leaves a few times until they're finely chopped. In the Southeast, you might be dealing with pine needles and magnolia leaves. Pine needles can be acidic, so it's best to mix them with other types of leaves. Magnolia leaves are thick and take longer to break down, so make sure to chop them well. A leaf blower that can also vacuum and mulch is a handy tool for this job. Over in the Midwest, you've got a mix of everything: maples, oaks, and maybe even some fruit tree leaves. A great tip here is to use a bagging mower. This collects the mulched leaves in a bag, making it easy to spread them evenly over your garden beds. Aim for a layer about 2 to 3 inches thick. Now, if you're on the West Coast, you might have eucalyptus or redwood leaves. These can be a bit tougher to mulch, but they still make excellent ground cover. Just be sure to chop them up finely and mix them with softer leaves to help them break down. Remember, the key to effective mulching is to keep the leaves moist. Water the mulched area lightly every now and then to help the leaves decompose and integrate into the soil. And there you have it. Leaf mulching is a simple, cost-effective way to prepare your yard for winter. Plus, your plants will thank you come springtime with healthier, more vibrant growth. So, get out there, start mulching, and enjoy the benefits of a well-prepped yard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching.